Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. This is a busy week because not only is the Cinco de Mayo in a couple of days, but also Mother's Day this coming weekend. So what I decided to do is to showcase a dessert inspired by one of my mother's favorite drinks. And it happens to also be a popular cocktail in Mexico. Here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Margarita Cupcakes. If you enjoy lime margaritas, then you'll love these little guys. The taste is like the drink. The flavor is so fabulous. With a nice tequila lime frosting, this is the perfect sweet treat to serve your mom. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a medium bowl, we'll add flour, baking powder, baking soda, and ground sea salt. We'll whisk the dry ingredients for a minute or so and then set aside. Next, in a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add granulated sugar, room temperature butter, and lime zest. Using the paddle attachment, we'll cream the ingredients for about 3 minutes on medium speed. Now, we'll add 1 egg at a time, mixing well between each addition. I don't know about you guys, but I love the color and the smell is already lovely. It's such a great recipe. Anyway, what we'll do next is to add half of the dry ingredients as well as half of the milk and half of the freshly squeezed lime juice. Then we'll process on low speed at first before increasing to medium speed. We'll repeat the same step with the remaining flour, milk, and lime juice and mix on low, then bring it up to medium speed. Let's not forget to clean the sides of the bowl. The last ingredient we'll add is pure vanilla extract and we'll process until just blended. We don't want to overwork the batter too much as the cupcakes can get dense and a little tough. From here, we'll line a 12-cup muffin pan with cupcake liners. Are they cute or what? And fill the batter to 2/3 full. I like to use this little portioning scoop because it does a clean job and makes it easier to fill them up. We'll gently tap the pan to dislodge any trapped air bubbles before transferring it to a 350-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 22 to 24 minutes or until a cake tester inserted in the center comes out clean. But while they're baking, we'll make a simple syrup. In a small bowl, we'll add tequila and agave nectar and give a good stir until well blended. When the cupcakes are done, we'll brush on our tequila agave simple syrup right away and let them cool off completely before frosting. About 30 minutes later, we'll start making the buttercream. In the bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add 1 cup of unsalted butter and using the paddle attachment, we'll cream it on medium-high speed for 2 minutes. To this, we'll add a cup at a time of confectioner's sugar and process on low at first before increasing to medium-high speed. We'll keep repeating it until all our sugar is incorporated with the butter and clean the sides of the bowl as needed. When this is done, we'll add tequila, then Cointreau. Hey, they're called Margarita Cupcakes for a reason, right? Some pure vanilla extract, as well as lime extract, which will intensify the flavor. And the brand I use is this one. I love it. And like any respectable margarita, it needs a little bit of salt. We'll combine the ingredients very well on low speed before increasing to medium. And here's our buttercream. Now that our cupcakes are cooled off, we'll pipe on the frosting. The professional piper in our family is my husband, David, and he does such a great job. I'm very proud of him. By the way, he's using a 1N tip, but a 1D or a 2D piping tip can be used instead. They are great alternatives. If you want, you can garnish them with lime slices, some lime zest, or the one I prefer, sanding sugar. And my friends, these are our Margarita Cupcakes with a delicious sweet lime cake topped with a light and fluffy tequila lime buttercream. This is a nice way to enjoy lime margarita in a dessert form. Either you want to surprise your mother this weekend or simply highlight Cinco de Mayo, these flavorful little guys are a great choice. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit kafoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!